Imagine your financial life is like walking across a tightrope high above a city. You need a safety net below to catch you if you stumble. That safety net? An emergency fund. An emergency fund is simply cash set aside, easily accessible in case of unexpected expenses or loss of income. It's not just for peace of mind, it can save your financial life. Misconception time: many believe that credit cards or savings accounts are enough. Not true. Credit cards have interest, and savings might not be liquid if tied up in investments. Why does it matter? Let's say your car breaks down, costing $2,000. Without an emergency fund, you might have to use high-interest debt or dip into investments meant for retirement. The typical advice is to save 3-6 months' worth of expenses. But start small. Even $500 can make a huge difference if you suddenly lose your job or face medical bills. Think about this. If you earn $4,000 a month and have an emergency fund of $1,500, that's like having 37.5% more cushion for unexpected costs. An emergency fund protects your financial future by preventing you from falling behind on bills or taking on debt just when you need stability most. Remember, creating an emergency fund is not a one-time task, but a continual process. Even small contributions can build up over time to become your financial safety net. This video offers general education, not personalized advice. Your specific needs might vary based on your unique situation. But the principle stands: an emergency fund is the bedrock of any solid financial plan. Stay tuned for more tips and insights into making your money work smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.